this video tutorial, we're going to show you how to make a project bigger or smaller. So the first thing you want to do, if you haven't already watched the video on importing SVG files, you want to do that first. This video assumes that you already know that process. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into Upload Images, and in this case, we're going to create this lantern. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to open up all of the files necessary to create the lantern. In this case, there are 5. We have them all selected, and we're going to insert them. Okay, and now because Design Space doesn't give you the option to increase or decrease file size based on a percentage, the workaround is basically selecting all of the pieces, which we can do so by clicking here, select all, and now that we have them all selected, we have one handle for all of them. Okay, and we can go ahead and shrink or increase all of the pieces together at the same time. And by doing this, we're keeping everything in proportion, which means that no matter how small or how large you cut all these pieces, they will still fit together because they're all being decreased or increased in size at the same rate. Now keep in mind that you are limited to how big or small you can create these projects based on the size of your mat or the limitations of your cutting machine. Now obviously you don't want to try to cut this that small because the details are just too much for the machine to handle. And of course you can't cut any of these pieces beyond 11.4 inches because of the limitations of Design Space. So as you're resizing, you can kind of see down here on the bottom the actual width. Okay, you want to keep that below 11.4. Okay, so looks like that's all below 11.4. So as you can see, as we drag these, it shows you the width of the largest piece, which will tell you where you need to stop just to make sure that it will actually cut.